Just wanted to take a moment to create a product review for this power bank. I got this on Amazon. It's a SinKeu, I think that's how you say it. Power bank, 24,000 milliamp hours. So it's a large power bank. This portable battery pack, I got it for about $80 after tax. I do like that it has this hard plastic shell over it, so it's pretty sturdy. You can do multiple USB devices, or like I'm doing right now, I have my laptop charger plugged in and my laptop battery is charging as I'm on the go, which happens often. I like that it has this digital display on the front. It shows you how much of a percentage is remaining when you are charging your appliances. This power bank has 24,000 milliamp hours, so you can charge a phone like 10 times on this thing. You could charge your laptop a few times as well. The power does fade over time, so make sure you stay on top of charging it before you need to use it in a situation. There's a little button on here that slides that will turn on or off the AC port, which is going to be right here. So if I slide that over to off, my green light turns off and my laptop is no longer charging. I'm going to turn it back on though, and my laptop is now charging once again right there. So this slider will actually turn on or off that port. That's something that I missed when I first got it. I had this on off and I was trying to troubleshoot why that wasn't turning on. It only took a second to find it, of course. You charge it with this 15-volt input. Now, another thing that I messed up on when I first got it was accidentally plugged in right here, which is the 12-volt output. It's the same, interface, so I accidentally plugged it in and checked back on it a few hours later and realized, oh wow, it's still at 0%, it's dead. Why is that? So that's something to be aware of if you get this product as well. So here are the things I don't like about it. It is completely drained. It's at 1% now, and it's supposed to charge my laptop 5 times, and it has charged it 50%. So I got half of a laptop charge out of this entire thing. So it hasn't lasted as long as I thought it would. I thought, 10 months later, I'd still be using a product that would be functioning, especially since I bought it for about $87 on Amazon. That's just kind of how things are made nowadays, though. They're cheap and they don't last. It's possible that I got a defective item, so I am contacting Amazon support right now. We will see what they say. I hope that they honor some sort of, replacement, since it's only been 10 months and it's, now not functioning. As you can see on my laptop, it is currently at a charged level of 3,500 maH, and it was at about 100 when I started charging. So my laptop was about 1 or 2%. I just plugged this in and my power brick was at 100% charged, and now the battery, it has completely depleted in about 30 minutes. So with that, it should have charged 24,000, not 2,400, 24,000 maH, but I only got about 3,500 out of it. So what's that, a 90% reduction in its capacity? So that's disappointing to see. I don't know. So that's very disappointing to see. So I'm asking Amazon what options I have, because this product really should be charging this laptop. If it can hold 24,000, I should be getting like 4 or 5 charges out of it. All right, I just spoke to Amazon and they offered me a 100% refund on the item after I showed them a little bit of proof on how the product is now only charging like 10% of its capacity. So it's a bummer that my product didn't work, but I'm hoping that that doesn't represent a majority of the products that they sell. So from my experience, I guess I would say like 3 to 4 star out of 5, because I got the defective one. But I'm sure if it worked, it would be an awesome 5 out of 5 star experience. What I'm going to do is actually try a different company, since this one failed me on my first attempt. So good luck to anybody who does try it.